अभी मैं कल एक बंदे से मिला, कंपनी कॉल, he runs, again no recommendation, just run very small business, fresh bus, Hyderabad based guy. Basically he is a bus aggregator, है ना. अभी RTC बसें चलती हैं, तो he basically is building a platform and EV buses. So EV buses are much more efficient. Now think how all of this will disrupt the entire transport. And so EV buses are actually now only 15-20% expensive. They run 40-50% longer. There's no wear and tear. Very well funded by folks like Macquarie and all. All the EV buses are owned by them. He sits simply as a what do you call intelligence layer. And he sort of says that, okay, 50-60-100 buses मैं manage करूँगा आपकी. And then he places, his routes Bangalore to Hyderabad to Chennai. इसकी bus fly करती है. So Fresh Bus promises that, we'll give you great experience. We'll give you good food. And then driver is good quality, wears good clothes, everything is there, And delivery time is very important for him. It's very like young guy looking at a business, transport business, which is messy business, a fresh pair of eyes. And basic business is it's an algorithm which actually scrapes data at Ixigo, the places where all the red bus and all, where the different buses are flying, and has cracked the code that how to, it's a 2 dimension की भाव कम होना चाहिए उस रूट पे और अच्छे स्टार रेटिंग होनी चाहिए, है ना. तो मतलब गुड एक्सपीरियंस देना है so that people give him good star rating. एंड भाव बहुत महंगा नहीं करना है बट बहुत सस्ता भी नहीं करना है, तो पैसे कैसे बनेंगे. इस दोनों को क्रैक करना था. ये क्रैक किया बंदे ने, और एवरीवेयर नाउ ही फीचर्स इन टॉप 4-5, है ना. That just giving example. Last evening only I met him. Now that business it has a moat now. It's run, it is doing decent well. So I'm saying EV proliferation is a tailwind. The funding is a tailwind because Macquarie and others are funding. And then the platform that he has built, which is a pure 100 लोगों से मिलकर के now he can run. मैं उससे पूछा, okay, I think 101 बसें चलाता है. He said we'll get to 5,000 buses. सिर्फ कितने लोग और होंगे? 100 से 5,000 जाने में. He said maybe 100 लोग more. That's it. Massive operating leverage, है ना. तो आप incumbent businesses को, RTC businesses को you're killing because वो इतना badly run, ठीक है. Other random private operators को you are actually killing because you are actually doing it very well. You've solved a better quality bus and you've solved the algo to ensure that your bus features and so that the occupancy rate is much better. Now, basically, that is the kind of business. In every small little thing that you think now, there is this new kid coming up which actually fighting the incumbent, which is what I call anti-incumbency play. इससे होता है पॉलिटिक्स के अंदर कि 5 साल आज बीएमसी का इलेक्शन है तो 5 साल ये हो गए, अगले 5 साल, तो हर जगह मार्केट में भी आई थिंक देयर इज अ मेजर एंटी इनकम्बेंसी एट प्ले because of the adoption of new tech.